Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a new user with same phone on Temu app. So first, head over to Temu. Next, at the bottom corner of your screen, click on the U icon. Then next is look for the settings icon found at the top right corner of your screen. Then look for switch accounts. So click on it. Now from here, we're just going to add a new account. So click on add account. Now from here, choose whichever way or platform or account that you want to use to create a new account. You can create using your Apple account, Google account, Facebook account, or even with your email address. So once you're logged into your account, you can always just head back to settings, then click on switch accounts, and from there, you can easily switch between all your logged in accounts. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again on the next one. Bye!